Gulf and eSeal, a leader in brand protection and promotion solutions, have together developed a unique solution to aid the sales and distribution team. Gulf's eSeal Supply Chain Visibility (SCV) solution provides complete traceability from packaging at the factory to arrival at the depots and finally dispatch to the distributors. This is a special initiative to track product movement. Gulf's eSeal Supply Chain Visibility (SCV) solution creates a unique identity called eSeal code for every product, which carries the date of packaging, product description, dispatch details, region and depot details, and finally, name of the distributor to whom it's been sold. The code thus ensures that products meant to be sold in a particular territory don't end up elsewhere, thereby providing peace of mind to the distributors. The eSeal code concept is compatible with phones that have a minimum 3-megapixel camera with any of the following operating systems: Android, iOS, and BlackBerry OS X. The process begins with different eSeal codes being printed onto the labels in the printing unit before arriving at the Silvassa factory. Every label has a unique eSeal code on it. Once the labels reach the factory, they are pasted on empty cans, which are then sent for the oil filling process in a set of 20. These cans are scanned and the 21st eSeal code is generated. It holds the information of all the 20 eSeal codes on the containers scanned previously, and the 21st code is printed on the carton. Let's consider a scenario wherein these cartons are to be dispatched to the Bhiwandi depot. While leaving the factory, the eSeal codes on these cartons are duly scanned before dispatch and a transport permit is generated. This transport permit holds the information of all these cartons and a separate eSeal code is assigned to it. The eSeal code on the transport permit, when scanned, displays the information of all these cartons and details of the depot they are dispatched to. This stage is called the plant dispatch scan. When the batch reaches the depot, the eSeal code on the transport permit is scanned and an inward entry is updated on the server informing that 500 cartons have entered the Bhiwandi depot. The eSeal code on the can, when scanned after receipt at the Bhiwandi depot, flashes this additional data apart from the previous data. Once the depot receives a sales order, for example, an order for 100 cartons placed by Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, the same is recorded and 100 cartons are taken out. The stock to be dispatched is scanned once again at the depot. A system entry of the document generated for Messrs. Shankar Enterprises is made. This stage is called the depot dispatch scan. The details of the sales order are: after the sales order has been generated, the stock gets dispatched to the distributor's godown. The distributor, Messrs. Shankar Enterprises, sells the material to the dealers in his area of operation and the Gulf product reaches the shelf. At any time between the product's manufacturing to consumption cycle, any member of the Gulf Oil team can scan and check the eSeal code on the pack to trace its flow and identify its intended market. Now, this entire exercise has enabled us to understand and track where our stock is being sold. With this latest technology, the dealers and distributors are best benefited as they gain maximum profits. We are the first and the only lubricant company in India to embrace this next generation and innovative expertise. Now you can sell your products in your area of operation with no interruption. Happiness non-stop, Zindagi non-stop.